Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a microphone that is too quiet on your Windows 10 computer. So if you can barely hear anything after you've recorded a sample of audio, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. So we're going to start off by right-clicking on the speaker icon down in our system tray. Just go ahead and right-click on that. And then you want to select where it says sounds. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the recording tab. And now double click on whatever your microphone is listed in here. Select the levels tab. And now where it says the microphone up at the top, you can go ahead and drag that over to the right to make it louder. So make it louder by going to the right, or you can move it to the left to make it quieter. So again, pretty straightforward. And then you can also do similar actions with the microphone boost. Please keep in mind, I really want to move it too much. On my end, 10 decibels is what I'm currently using here. So just keep that in mind. You may want to adjust that as well a little bit. Take note of what it is before you do anything, obviously, but that should hopefully be about it. Also, if your microphone actually has a sound button on it, you might be able to actually scroll up or down on your microphone itself. So just physically feel around, see if there is like a little volume button on your microphone. That might be part of the problem there. So just giving you guys a couple options to work with, and once you're done, if you're making any changes, as always, select OK. Select OK again to close out of there. And that is it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.